Pretty standard piece of kit to have for traditional climbing or alpine climbing is what's called the alpine extender. And this is very simply, in this form, a 20 centimeter long sling. But if I unclip one of the carabiners, click anywhere on one of the strands and pull it, I get a 60 centimeter long sling. To re-rack this, we just take one of the carabiners, put it through the other one like so, and clip onto the other end like so. So it becomes shorter again. So just one more time. Unclip, clip anywhere on one of the strands, pull, and you have a 60 sling. Take one of the carabiners, put it through the other one, and clip on the other side. You get that 20 centimeters short extension sling again. Really useful. So how to rack a 120 sling like so. Pretty standard length of sling. One way is that you clip in the carabiner, put it over the body and connect it. Quite a traditional way of doing it, and it means if you've got lots of slings you can free up room on your harness. The problem is if you're putting a rucksack on and off or adjusting layers, then it can be a bit of a hassle. And if you try to take your rucksack off when you've got this on already, you end up kind of strangling yourself and getting a bit of a tangle. So another method is to clip the sling in to the carabiner, come down, do a 180 turn and clip it back in the carabiner. Take all the strands down, do a 180 turn again and clip it in. Take all the strands down, just go round and round and round and clip it in. Nice little bundle. Not going to come undone, and you can clip it on the side of your harness, keeps it out of the way until you need it. Another method, especially useful if you're ice climbing and you're going to come up to a belay and connect into two ice screws, or climbing and connect into two bolts, is very similar to the alpine draw. You take two snap links like so, put one through the other carabiner and connect in there. So now it's this length, a 60 sling now. You take one of the carabiners, put it through the other one and connect it through all the bundle of slings at the other end. Very small, neat setup of sling which you can connect to your harness. So when you come up to a bolt or an ice screw, for example, you can just come in and click one bolt in, or sorry, one carabiner into one of the bolts, and then take the other one off, connect it somewhere. Good idea to, in this case, to near where the sewn part is, and just shake it out. It'll come out. Quite a neat little way of doing it. So they're the methods that you can use.